Hi everyone, this is how to install games on GameHub with setup. For example, I will install PES. Okay, I will extract first. To check the games need setup first or not, you can check on folder of the game. Yes, it need to set up first. Okay, this is how to install with setup. Open GameHub, import PC games, search your game location, click setup, confirm, click here, PC game settings, enter container desktop. This is I made new control layout for clean the button. Yes, now no button on screen. Click my computer, search the game folder, and search setup, open setup with double click, next. If the game need to input code, you need to input the code. So I will check on the game folder. How to run, I will click. Oh yes, this is the code. You can input in here. After complete, click next. Change location, click change C to D. You can follow it. After that, click OK. Next, install. Wait until complete. Click finish. After that, click home. Open the archiver again and check on the folder of games have this folder or not. If the game have this folder, open this folder, copy all file, copy, click program files, the folder of games, and paste here. Apply to all file, replace. Okay, now open GameHub, back on my computer, open program files, open the game folder, open settings. For settings the game, it's up to you. After that, click controller, select X input. After that, click OK, exit. Click startup file, program files, select the game. Okay, now let's play.
Good evening as kick-off approaches. So, a perfect opportunity for the managers to give some of their fringe players a run out against top-quality opposition. For the manager, it's a stern test, to say the least, a barometer of his team's progress. Cristiano Ronaldo. A strike! Cleared. Xabi Alonso. Benzema. Will he test the keeper? We're waiting for the first goal, and a good cross could set it up. It's clear. And Xabi Alonso. Julie. Roten. Turns defence into attack there. Hit over the top. They still have it. Xabi Alonso. Will he find the space? And the recovery tackle is a strong one. The defending was of the last-ditch variety. And a shot! And the keeper has it. Benzema. Good running on the ball. Here's Raul. Cristiano Ronaldo. Room for a shot. Neatly done, really dealt with the threat. Oh, stopped him illegally. That's a free kick. The referee says calm it down. It's a very good run. He can't find a target in the air. It's there, they've got their noses in front.
I'm sure he'll go over to thank him for the assist. Magnificent one it was as well. He made sure the striker was onside before sliding it through the...
They have the all-important first goal, but can they build on it?
Always a good time to score, especially if you score it.
Cristiano Ronaldo, almost unstoppable when he hits top gear. It's a solid tackle. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. Very focused on the task in hand. Cristiano Ronaldo. Not happy with that.
Tell you what, you shouldn't miss from there.